I really liked the goggles. I think that Form is a brilliant product in terms of the fit. The display, you can choose 2 different metrics. So whichever 2 is best suited for you, you can plug in and then use that accordingly. There is a slight added weight on the Form goggle. You're not going to compete in the goggles, obviously, because you need to be extremely light in competition, but you can't notice it as much as I thought I might when I first put them on. I would recommend the Form goggles to recreational clients so that they're not bored when they're swimming and they have their own personal coach. I would recommend the Form goggles to competitive clients because every 10th of a second counts. You can tell your time as you're swimming or your splits, which is so imperative to the competitive athlete. Runners, cyclists, they all have their watches. Swimmers can't have a watch. The goggle is the perfect place to have this, and I was so excited to try. They've done a fantastic job.